Rice from Eden Condensed Small Space Garden Design, and this is Garden Space. Today I'm going to introduce you to the wonderful world of beneficial insects to use as pesticides. My favorite are ladybugs, and what I like about ladybugs is that they're not too scary looking and they're also easy to use as a beneficial insect when you have common garden whitefly, mealybugs. You can buy them in a carton like this at your nursery center. They're usually available in the spring, or you can order them online. And what you'll want to do is wait until either early morning or dusk or on an overcast day where it's damp, and open up the carton, and you'll see there's just dozens and dozens of them. They're actually pre-fed. There's a little cotton ball in here that has a sugar solution. And you will sprinkle them on your plants, especially where there's infestation. So if you have roses with aphids or other plants that have some other bugs, just sprinkle them around and then sprinkle the rest of them around the remaining parts of your garden. And as long as it's damp, they will eat more than their weight in aphids. Also, they'll start to lay eggs, and the larvae, which look like little tiny alligators, will also eat the aphids and other soft-shelled insects that eat plants. Another favorite of mine, and I've got lots of ladybug friends now, are praying mantises, and these are great because they are completely carnivorous and they will pretty much eat any bug that is in your garden, especially the ones that are eating your plants. And when you buy these, you'll actually get them as an egg case, which is it's almost like a little papery case. You'll attach it onto a tree or a bush, usually within 1 to 2 feet of the ground. And then within a few days, the eggs will hatch and you'll get dozens of little praying mantises. You won't really see them, but do know that they're there, and once they get bigger you'll be able to see them in the garden, and they kind of look like little alien bugs. They're very cool. So if you have any other questions about using beneficial insects as pesticides, please contact me at www.edencondensed.com. Thank you very much.